Hi, I'm doing my Sunday shoutouts. Now, I couldn't find Annette. I found a couple of videos they had, and then those have disappeared. So I'm not going to do a shoutout for Annette. But I am going to do a shoutout for Shani. And Shani, as you know, is very open about her life. She does videos on her day-to-day life. She's recently recovered from bulimia. She's getting her teeth replaced. She is very open and very caring and considerate of people. And she's always willing to answer a question. And Shani is just good people. So I will put her address in the notes section. And then I'm going to do a shout out for Tofu Tommy. Tommy is a good friend of mine. He is an excellent person. He's a male anorexic with, he's a vegan just like me. He's very open about his anorexia, very open about his veganism. He is very, very clear about things that need to be changed in society and things that need to be changed in the school systems and everything else. He is a great guy. You will learn so much from him. I really suggest you take a look at his site, and I will put his address in the note section as well. And those are the two shout outs for Shout Out Sunday. Thank you very much.